everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. So today we discuss about complete cell theory. Okay, so let's start. Our first point is all living organisms are made up of cell, and hence called cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. Okay. Our first point is said that all living organisms are made up of cell, and that's why cell is called a structural and functional unit of living beings. Okay, so and our second point is all vital metabolic activities are also controlled by cell. In our body, there are many metabolic activities done, and cell control the metabolic activities, all the metabolic activities. Okay, cell also control all the metabolic activities which is done in our body. And our third point is all living organisms start their life form single cell. It means all living organisms are started their life for single cell. It means it is initial phase of living organism. Okay, and our next point is all cells are basically similar in structure and metabolic function. It means all cells are basically similar in structure and metabolic function. Yani most of cells are similar in structure and they have similar metabolic function. Okay. And our last point is all cells arise from pre-existing cell by the process of cell division. In previous video, we will see about how new cell arise. How new cell arise from pre-existing cell. It means cell divided into two form by the process of. This process is called cell division. Okay. So this is completely called cell theory. Okay, and here is some exception. Here is some exception. Excuse me. Exception of cell theory: virus, virus-wide, and prion. They do not follow cell theory. The cell theory. Virus, virus-wide, viroid, and prion. They do not follow the cell theory. Cell theory means all cells are basically similar in structure and metabolic function, and all living organisms made up of cell, and their products are also made up of cell, and all metabolic activities controlled by cell. And these are cell theory, but here is 4 exception of cell theory. They do not follow the cell theory. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about cell theory, complete cell theory, by point by point. So our first point is all living organisms are made up of cell, and hence called cell is a structural functional unit of living organism. Okay, all vital activities are also controlled by cell. It means in our body there are many activities. There are many metabolic activities. So they are also controlled by cell. Okay, and next point is we know that all living organisms started their life from single cell, and next is all living All cells are basically similar in structure and metabolic function. And our last point is all cells arise from pre-existing cells. This is given by Rudolf Virchow. In previous class we were discussed. And here is some exception like virus, viroid, virusoid, prion. These four are main exception of cell theory. They do not follow the cell theory. Okay, so I hope you understand all complete cell theory. In the next video, we will discuss about size and shape of cell. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.